Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Is Stribild used for PrEP? No, Stribild is not approved for pre-exposure prophylaxis, PrEP. Stribild is used to treat, not prevent, HIV infection. Stribild tablet contains the medicines cobicistat, elvitegravir, emtricitabine, and tenofovir disoproxil fumarate. Stribild is taken once a day with food and is a complete HIV treatment regimen. It is not used with other HIV medicines. It can be used in people who have not received anti-HIV medicines in the past, or in certain people to replace their current anti-HIV medicines. It is not known if Stribild is safe and effective in children under 12 years of age or who weigh under 77 pounds, 35 kilograms. Take Stribild exactly as your doctor prescribes it. What can I use for PrEP? There are 2 oral medicines and 1 long-acting injection that the FDA approved to be used for PrEP. 2 oral antiviral medications, Truvada and Descovy, are approved to be used for PrEP in the US. PrEP is a highly effective, once-a-day pill regimen used to prevent HIV infection. PrEP reduces your chances of getting HIV from sex by 99%, when used as directed. Truvada, tenofovir, disoproxil fumarate and emtricitabine,Descovy, emtricitabine and tenofovir alafenamide. Stribild also contains both emtricitabine and tenofovir, similar to Truvada and Descovy, but not enough studies have been done to show it is effective for PrEP. In December 2021, the FDA approved a new long-acting intramuscular injection for PrEP called Apretude, kgsTake. Apretude is approved for use in adults and adolescents weighing at least 35 kilograms, 77 pounds, who are at risk of sexually acquiring HIV and who are HIV-1 negative prior to initiation. A negative HIV test is required prior to each injection. Apretude is given as an intramuscular, IM, injection once a month for the first 2 months, then once every 2 months by a healthcare provider. A negative HIV test is required prior to each injection. Before the first Apretude injection, patients may take oral cabotegravir, Vocabria, for at least 28 days to determine if they tolerate cabotegravir, but this is not required. However, no safety and efficacy data are available for use of Apretude without use of Vocabria first. Learn more, HIV treatment options, an overview. This is not all the information you need to know about Stribild, elvitegravir, cobicistat, emtricitabine, and tenofovir disoproxil fumarate, for safe and effective use and does not take the place of talking to your doctor about your treatment. Review the full product information here, and discuss this information and any questions you have with your doctor or other healthcare provider. Related questions: Does Stribild cause weight gain? Who makes or manufactures Stribild? Can Stribild be crushed? RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.